Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have a tip for you. If you're ever doing any dashboards that has specific text being displayed sort of as an individual label, like you can see here in this dashboard in the top left-hand corner, you might want to have these labels automatically colored based on certain conditions. So you can do that with version 9 of Dundas BI very easily. Let me show you. So go to your dashboard, get some data. So I'm just putting a number on here, in this case, revenue data. And I'm just going to display it as a data label. And let's just format this a little bit better. Let's change some properties. So I want to actually see my revenue is, and then the number up here, something like that. But now I want to actually color that number. So if it's below, let's pick it, 2 million. If it's below 2 million, then I want to see it as red. What I can do is go to Data Tools, set up State, and set up one so that if our condition is less than or equal to, in this case, just a constant is fine. In this case, 2 million. Sure, I got the right amount of zeros. Yes. Say OK. You can add as many states as you want. But as soon as I do that, you can see that there's a state style property that's been added. And you've probably seen this in other controls, like the gauge does this, the chart does this, and now the data label does it. So I can go in, let's make it bold. It's going to appear red. So you'll see it'll automatically do that if my condition is violated, which is great. This is also really useful if you're doing a scorecard. So in this case, I have a scorecard where I have a data label, and for each row, in this case that I'm showing, it'll color it differently based on those conditions. If you didn't have this, it was a bit of a pain to do. You'd have to do some funky scripting or perhaps even use a state indicator to show this. So this is a great addition. Hope this helps.